Welcome to Country Thunder 2022. It's my 9th year going, and for the first time since Mike proposed to me in 2013, he is not coming, and instead I'm bringing my friend Annabelle. Mike couldn't come because he stayed back to watch Ziggy and Ditto and take care of some work stuff, but it worked out perfectly because it's Annabelle's first time ever camping at Country Thunder. And we started the festival with onstage seating. On-stage seating for Country Thunder Arizona is not as elusive as you might think. The app frequently pushes out push notifications letting you know when they're giving away on-stage seating, or you can stop by the vendor tents. Many of them do have passes for on-stage seating as well. But let's get to the music and Lindsay Ell. The truth is, RSVD tickets are better, so we ran back to our seats to watch her play during the sunset.
Like the jackal, waiting for the rain to fall down. I'm a June Alaska, you're a bottle rocket, I'm waiting on you.
Randy Hauser is covering Garth. Call the thing a rodeo.
Y'all listen to the same stuff?
Although his kind of music and mine ain't exactly the same. When I'm down in the home, some more slip.
After a killer first day with Lindsay Ell, Randy Hauser, Riley Green, and so many other great artists, we decided to keep it easy so we could be well rested for day 2.
Hey guys, we're here at Country Thunder and we want to introduce you to a really cool artist.
Yeah. Hey, this is the Parker Jenkins Band coming to you at Country Thunder. We just appreciate all you guys viewing and watching out. Anywhere that you're going around the United States, live music, Parker Jenkins Band, follow country music. Thank you guys.
You can find the Parker Jenkins Band performing more regularly in Prescott, Arizona. Up next, we headed to the Chevy tent where we got our free Country Thunder shirts for the year, before heading to Copperhead Stage.
You could have your choice of me. I can never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolie.
Then onto my childhood favorite, Phil Vassar. After an awesome show, we went back to our camp to have some dinner, have some drinks, and refresh before seeing Blake Shelton. We kept the party going and headed to Crazy Coyote after the concert. And let's just say, that night hit us differently than any other night at Country Thunder. While we all took naps and some of us may have regretted our choices of beverage the night before, I looked over to see my mom working out after her daily run. Annabelle and I did finally gain consciousness and headed to the RSVD entrance. This area is only for RSVD and platinum ticket holders. The first show of the day that we saw for day 3 of Country Thunder was Blanco Brown.
Now bring it to the front. Take it down and crease, cross. Bring it up now, crease. What do you like right here? Just have fun, ladies and gentlemen.
dinner and drinks before Tracy Lawrence with the biggest flag I've ever seen on a truck. We made it just in time to hear Devil Went Down to Georgia, and wow. Saturday was all about amazing bands, as we now have Hardy and MacKenzie Porter on stage, and Hardy performed Rednecker, the perfect country thunder ballad. Since we were still recovering after Morgan Wallen, we decided to take it easy before the last day of Country Thunder. Sunday, a lot of people have already left, and we are going to go explore some campsites to see what shenanigans we can still find. And up first is Scallywags. One of my favorite ways to stay cool is to either dip a hat or a shirt in water and just wear it. And I dipped this in ice water, and it is cold. It's freezing, but it feels great. Just great. Thank you. No, I'm good. Annabelle was learning all the different types of RVs, so we took the walk to do a pop quiz on what she'd learned. Oh, that's a big class. That's like a super seat. It's built on a semi-truck. That is a super seat. Oh, thank you. Didn't even have to do it. The wind on Sunday brought in so much dust and destroyed a lot of people's tents and camp setups. Scallywags is located in Last Chance, Row D, so we had a little bit of a walk to get there, but it's always great people watching, and we always meet some fun, interesting people, while getting squirted with squirt guns, of course. That felt really good, actually. I'll take you there. I think you're gonna like it here. A little bit different atmosphere, like a brand new frontier. I think you're gonna like it here. Hey, it's nice to meet you. Just when I thought we were really lost, I turned around and saw the sails of Scallywags. Hey, we got lucky, because I don't know why we turned that way. I forgot. Scallywags sells koozies for $5 each that you can purchase to help support the campsite so they can do this every year.
USA, born and raised, gonna do it our way. Freedom ain't a dream, it's a long stretch of highway. It's the thrill of the road, life ain't just a dollar sign.
We are debating going on this ride. We're gonna check the prices and see if it's worth it, but oh my god, it's really tall. What did you think?
I was giving my final
Would you do it
tires
again?
up there. Am I glad I did it? Yes. Would I do it again?
Exactly the same. Exactly, literally.
We caught Ryan and the Renegades before seeing the opening of Florida Georgia Line.
What's up, country thunder? How we feeling on a Sunday night? Let's go! Ah, yeah. Y'all like y'all's country music up now or what?
We are in the wastelands. Wow. It looks like we'll never survive through this apocalypse.
Just when we thought we were too tired to keep on listening to music, the last band of the last day on Copperhead stage looped us in, and we stayed as long as we possibly could. And just like that, Country Thunder 22 was done. The good news is it is not even close to our last concert or music festival for the year. Follow along to see our full-time travel, concert journeys, and remote income tips.